Modern video creation needs precision, not AI noise. Introducing Luffy Create, a free lightweight open source video creation and editing app. Built with editor first principle, it works locally on your device, supports offline creation and gives you AI assistant edits. Like any CS editor, Luffy Create includes the fundamental features plus modern cool features. You can show unlimited creativity with its text features by combining multiple components. Without taking more time, let's jump into the editor and look at some of the main features. First, you get all the core building blocks: text, shapes, arrow, backgrounds, layers, hand draw tools, and media assets like images, audios, and videos. Then you get the intelligent tools, automatic captions, AI edits, Python sandbox. For editing graphs, charts, and animation, you don't have to code in separate code editor. You can directly run your code in Luffy's Python sandbox, and it also supports the Manim animation. You can just save assets or add the created images and videos with just one click. Where Luffy Create is different from many AI first editors. We don't want to hide the timeline or abstract everything behind the prompts. Instead, Luffy's editor gives you more precise control over scenes, timing, movements, assets, and animations. You use AI, but the editor stays in your hands. The Luffy AI assistant works with a hybrid approach, so simple tasks do not waste tokens or slow down the editor. Let's see how Luffy's AI works. I am giving a task prompt, and also you can mention a particular media directly in the chat for the precision. The more structured the prompt will give you better result. First, the agent will break down the task in steps, and on permission, it will execute it.
Add some ice, the colder the better. Quick stir, quick sip.
You can see it simply did as I prompted. The next version of AI agent's edits gonna handle more autonomous end-to-end tasks. Next, let's see its auto-generated subtitles. Just click the generate button and go through all audio clips to extract the audio deck. After preview, you can save it or add it directly, or also you can download the SRT file. For ease of use and faster learning, the Luffy editor provides user guide at your fingertip. You can read about any features and properties if you get stuck. To get started using Luffy Create editor, simply visit its repository and download the latest version of your OS. Or you can also visit its web page and start from there. More cool and updated features are coming soon, so please give it a try. And we are always open for your feedback, bug reports, and feature requests. If this worked for you, please start the repository.